Hello, Ron here. Just coming in to you from, let me check here, the Residence Inn in Woodbridge, Virginia. I'm on my way to the South Florida Drone meetup. Yes, I know I'm leaving early. It's still February and the meetup's not until April 5th, but I like to get down there ahead of time. So, probably seen a little bit of the journey already in this video before this talking head video popped on. We started out at the Jersey Shore. We took the Cape May Lewis ferry down to Lewis, Delaware. Then we drove all the way across Delaware, went over, I'll get the name of the bridge. Maybe I'll put it down above, down below. The name of the bridge that got us over into, well, we were already in Maryland, but we took a bridge to get us over to Maryland. So basically what we're trying to do here is we want to get a hotel as close as we can to the Amtrak auto train, and that train allows you to load your car on it and travel to Florida without driving. And what we're going to do is, so we're here the night before. We get on. This is a Tuesday night at the end of February, and we're going to get on tomorrow. The train leaves at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. We're going to get on about 2 hours ahead of time to get the car loaded, and then Thursday morning around 9 a.m. we should wake up, in Stanford, Florida. I think I'm saying that right, which is somewhat near Orlando. And and we're just staying in coach, so we're going to kind of try to sleep at the coach seat. They do have sleeper rooms and roomettes and so on like that, but a lot of extra money for not that long of a stay. So I'm a pretty good snoozer when I'm in a moving vehicle of any type, whether a car, a plane, or a train or anything. So I should be able to, snooze a couple hours. And again, I'm going to be sitting there doing almost nothing for, not 24 hours, but we'll say, maybe 17 hours, something like that. So how much rest will I really need? So anyhow, just wanted to give you an update, of what's going on, why I'm making this video, and kind of just show you, what it entails, and we'll get, hopefully show you some good stuff with the auto train tomorrow, because a lot of people have the questions about the auto train. And I've done some research, but rather than me telling you what I've learned from the research, I'll tell you what I learned firsthand. So okay, signing off from Woodbridge, Virginia. This is Ron on the way to the great South Florida Drone meetup, April 4th, Jessup Beach Causeway, beautiful sunny Florida.